Hey, it's Joel from Chapman Manufacturing, and today Nicole is here. If you email or chat with us, you're likely going to be speaking with her, and we're really excited to introduce some new tool roll-ups.
So these new tool roll-ups have a fabric pouch. The material is Squadron, and they come in star, metric, and standard Allen hex. And you get a different set of tools depending on what kind of custom option you choose.
Yeah, so these are a little bit more versatile than our older sets. Each pocket can hold these three different combinations of tools or a possible combination that you make up. So unlike our old sets, the pocket securely holds a short extension and a handle, or a ratchet and a long extension. So to reiterate, you can order each set with each combination of tools. And these are only available on our website, chapmanmfg.com.